the bird in my mind. From the waters the troubadour sang of a cut that finally with its pain ended. While I buried the bird in my heart, transfigured in flames, the shaman opened the doors and dancing wildly found transcendence. While I buried the bird, I released its animal spirit, unearthing my pains, freeing myself from evil. I buried the bird in my soul, released into the air. The madman flapped his arms and jumped uncontrollably to reach consciousness.